In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva templates in Google Slides. If you love Canva's beautiful designs but prefer editing in Google Slides, this workflow lets you blend both tools with just a few clicks. We'll start in Canva to pick a presentation design and then export it as a PowerPoint file, which Google Slides opens and converts for easy editing. Begin by opening Canva and heading to the search bar at the top. Type presentation and press enter. You'll see a wide range of ready-made slide decks. Take a moment to browse, hover to preview multiple pages, and look for layouts that match your content, whether you need a pitch deck, a lesson plan, or a simple slideshow. When you spot a design you like, select it to open the preview, then click Customize this template. Canva will ask which pages you want to add. You can apply all pages for the full deck, or choose only the slides you need to keep things streamlined. Don't worry if you're unsure. It's easy to rearrange or delete slides later. Once the template loads in the editor, move to the top right corner and click Share. From the menu, choose Download. In the file type drop-down, pick Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX. This format preserves your slides so that Google Slides can convert them cleanly. Avoid image or PDF formats here because they won't remain fully editable. Click Download to save the file to your computer and wait for the export to finish. Next, open Google Slides in your browser. Click Blank to start a new presentation so you're inside the Slides interface. In the top menu, click File, then select Open. Switch to the Upload tab, click Browse, and choose the PowerPoint file you just downloaded from Canva. Google Slides will upload and open it automatically. For bigger decks, the conversion may take a few moments, so let it finish before you start making changes. After it loads, you can edit and customize the template directly in Google Slides. Replace placeholder text, swap out images, adjust colors and fonts, and tidy up any spacing. Depending on the fonts used in the Canva design, you may see slight differences. Simply pick the closest available fonts in Slides for a consistent look. If things look slightly off after import, nudge items into place and update theme colors to match your brand. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.